Woke up to the sound of the northern wind, carrying voices of places I've been. Footsteps lost on a lonesome trail, chasing dreams that flicker and pale. The river sings a song I used to know, like distant laughter from long ago. Echoes and pines calling me back through the golden light and the sky so black. Memories burn like fire in the rain, lost in the echoes calling your name. Hands on the wheel, but I don't know where. Driving through the mist like a silent prayer. Mountains rise like stories untold, carved in time in the dirt and the cold. The river sings a song I used to know, like distant laughter from long ago. Echoes and pines calling me back through the golden light and the sky so black. Memories burn like fire in the rain, lost in the echoes calling your name. The wind still hums that lonesome tune underneath the watchful moon, and in the pines I hear you